Over the years, Vienna has always been rated the world's most livable city. And on the fourth day of our Christmas holiday, we are beginning to understand why. In the last 3 days, we've seen the St. Stephen's Cathedral, the Hofburg Palace, the Schönbrunn Palace, so many Christmas markets, endless horse carriages, Viennese coffee houses, and heard some amazing musicians all on the streets of Vienna. And today we are going to take you on a walking tour around the most iconic parts of the city. As the city lights up, the center of Vienna at Stephansplatz, the Graben and Kärntner Straße or street is the best place to start walking from. This street is full of food stalls and a maroni or a pretzel stand is always around the corner. Stop for a bratwurst, a traditional Vienna sausage that is similar to a hot dog, only tastier. And with the cold winter breeze beginning to give us chills, we found ways of keeping ourselves warm. The Graben and Kärntner Street is a very long street, full of luxury boutiques, restaurants, and things to do. And after walking for 30 minutes or so, you reach Vienna's most historically significant and cultural past. Karlsplatz, home to the city's most important landmarks like the National Museum of Art, the Parliament Building, some luxury hotels and coffee houses, the Vienna State Opera House. This is the place where the great Mozart played his famous symphonies live in the 17th century. That's 400 years ago. Some of the buildings here are centuries old. Taking a walk in Vienna is like walking back into time. You know, when the famous leader Napoleon sent his troops to this part of Europe, he had only one thing to say to them. When you said to take Vienna, take Vienna. Such is the charm of this place, even from centuries ago. And walking for a few minutes brings us to yet another important part of Vienna. Café Mozart is the city's way to pay tribute to the world's greatest musician. A live pianist plays symphonies of the past while they serve Viennese coffee and breads. Next up, the Kärntner Ringstrasse, a pretty little street right opposite the Vienna State Opera, full of bars, cafes, and the smallest Christmas market and amazing lights. And somehow we managed to save the best place for the end. The Albertina Museum is located in the Habsburg Palace and holds a large collection of artworks from all over the world. The best part of the place is the terrace lookout area here. Once you get here, it shows Vienna in all her grandeur. And there somewhere on top of the palace, in the prettiest part of the city, as the fourth day of our Christmas holiday is almost ending, the walk back home looks divine. As she has in the books of time, the city of Vienna continues to sparkle, dazzle and shine.
I've been roaming around, always looking down at all I see. Faded faces fill the places I can't read. You know that I keep somebody